In a small village, there once lived a boy named Ali. Ali was very lazy. He always delayed his work. Whether it was studying or doing chores, he would say, "I'll do it tomorrow. I'm not in the mood right now." His parents and teachers often advised him, "Ali, value your time. Time never comes back. If you waste it, you'll regret it one day." But Ali didn't listen. He spent his days playing, sleeping, or talking aimlessly. While his friends moved ahead, some passed with good marks, some learned new skills, Ali was left far behind. One evening, he sat alone thinking, "Why am I so behind? Why is my life not moving forward?" He felt lost and disappointed in himself. A few days later, a wise old scholar named Haji Sahib visited the village. People from faraway places came to listen to his words of wisdom. Ali thought, "Maybe he can help me." When everyone had left, Ali went to him and said softly, "Haji Sahib, I feel like a failure. All my friends are successful, but I'm still stuck in the same place. Please tell me the secret of success." The old man smiled gently and said, "My son, your problem is simple. You don't value time. You keep saying tomorrow, and that's why you are always left behind." Then Haji Sahib began to tell him a story. Long ago, there was a kind king. He had an old friend who had become poor and jobless. People made fun of him, but he always blamed others for his situation. One day, the king felt pity for him and said, "My friend, tomorrow before sunset, you may take as much gold and jewels from my treasure room as you wish." The man was overjoyed. He ran home and told his wife. His wife said, "Then hurry up and go early tomorrow." But the man said, "I'll eat first, there's plenty of time." After eating, he felt sleepy. Just a short nap, he thought. When his wife woke him up after 2 hours, he said angrily, "Why are you rushing me? There's still time." Then he went out, but it was hot outside. He sat under a tree for shade and fell asleep again. When he woke up, the sun was setting. He ran to the palace, but it was too late. The gates were closed. He cried bitterly, "It's my bad luck." But the truth was, he lost his chance because he wasted his time. Old man looked at Ali and said, "Son, time is more precious than gold. Once it's gone, it never comes back. You are doing the same, wasting small moments and losing great opportunities." Ali's eyes filled with tears. He bowed his head and said, "You're right, Haji Sahib. I will change from today." And he did. From that day, Ali woke up early, studied with focus, and finished his tasks on time. At first it was difficult, but soon it became a habit. Months passed, and Ali's grades improved. His parents were proud, his friends admired him. He started reading books, learning new things, and playing sports with discipline. Most importantly, Ali began to feel proud of himself. He finally understood. Those who respect time succeed in life.